Here is how to remove a green screen in Capcut. First, choose your files, for example, those two, and slide over the green you want to remove. Left click the file and now go to video on basic and remove background to the right. And now we have three options. We just want to use the chroma key option. Left click on color picker and now slide over the green and left click again. As you can see, the green is gone, but we still have green outlines. Therefore, I have another example. Choose the files. And do the same as before. Left click the green file. Go to remove background. Go to chroma key. Click on color picker. And select the green. Also, here are some pixels in green left. So we just want to increase the intensity. Now I think that's perfect, right above 60. And now you can just resize your second layer. And we have used the green screen in Capcut. So I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe and here's the next video.